And this is your 7. Well done. Very, very good. How do you feeling now about roundabouts?
Yeah, a little bit better now.
Easier?
Yeah.
And after the bend, usually we take the second exit going towards services, and we keep our car to the left lane.
Yeah.
Now I have seen so many times what happened, the lane becoming 2, and a lot of learners, what they do, they try to go to the right lane.
What, to go to services?
Yeah, you can't do that. But what if you end up in a right lane? Then what would you do to go back to services?
Would I have to come all the way back round?
That's what we're going to do now.
Oh.
So again, the scenario is that imagine examiner have asked you to go ahead, second exit towards services. Instead of going to the left lane, you end up going to the right lane, and then it's very difficult for you to change your lane. So what we're going to do, we're going to go around a roundabout, and we're going to take the 7th exit. But this is only to demonstrate what if though, isn't it? Usually we stay into the
Left.
Good, so remember that. So we're taking the 7th exit now. That's it, good. So because it's very sometimes hard for you to change your lane, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good. Good, well done. Count the exits.
1.
Good.
Resume 2 when the traffic lights are green.
Yeah, so that is your 2, isn't it? Yeah? Good. You can go slightly more forward. Because there's no bike box there, isn't it? Good. It's only a backup plan if you messed up. I hope you will not. But I think maybe this video might help other people who may be watching this. So this is which exit?
2.
2. Well done.
3.
3. Well done. 4. Well done. So what you're doing is following the sign services. But this is 4th, right? This one is the 5th. Well done.
6th.
Good. This one is the 6th. Well done.
And then obviously this one is the 7th, which is overtaken.
There you go. Well done. How was it? Okay?
No, it gets better the more you do it.
Good.
It's a bit more relaxed. Wow, that was quick.
Yeah. Good, well done. And this is your 7. Well done. Very, very good. How do you feeling now about roundabouts?
Yeah, a little bit better now.
Easier?